Good morning, children. Welcome to our channel Primary Learner. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. Today we are going to discuss about monuments of India. Children, you know what are monuments? Monuments are buildings, temples, statues, etc. which are built to a famous person or an event. There are more than 500 monuments in India. In this video, we are going to discuss about 12 monuments of India. So let's start. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. It has become a symbol of love. It is built up of white marble. It is built on the bank of Yamuna River in Agra. Red Fort. Red Fort was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in New Delhi. Red Fort is popularly known as Lal Killa in Hindi. The walls of Red Fort are built red sandstone and marbles. Red Fort has been listed to the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Red Fort has a museum, Rang Mahal, Diwan-e-Khas, and other beautiful structures within it. Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar was built in order to celebrate the victory of Muhammad Ghori over Rajputs. It took almost around 75 years to build Qutub Minar and was started by Aibak in 1192 and finished by Iltutmish. Qutub Minar is a 73-meter tall brick tower built in Indo-Islamic architectural style. It is believed that it had 7 stories, but the top 2 fell down in the earthquake. Ajanta-Ellora Cave. Ajanta and Ellora Cave is located around 99 km from the town of Aurangabad. Ajanta Caves now included in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Ajanta Caves depict the Buddhist culture and the stories through various sculptures and paintings. Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar was built in 1724 by Raja Jai Singh II of Jaipur. In Delhi, Jantar Mantar of Delhi is an astronomical observatory with measuring instruments. Jantar Mantar means instrument for calculation. Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is the one of the most famous ancient monuments of Rajasthan. It was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. It is located in Jaipur. There are 953 windows in it. In total, it has 5 floors. Char Minar. It was built in the year 1591 by the Muhammad Qali Qutub Shah. This structure located on the east bank of the river Musi in the city of Hyderabad. Char Minar. This monument is believed to have been the very first structure built in the city. The Char Minar is a mosque and one of the most recognized structures in India. Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is also referred to as Darbar Sahib or Harminder Sahib. It is one of the oldest worship place for the Indian Sikh. It is located in Amritsar, Punjab. The entire of the temple is made of pure gold, adding to the beauty of temple. It is surrounded by a man-made lake, Amrit Sarovar. Agra Fort. It is a historical fort in the city of Agra in India. In 1983, the Agra Fort was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Agra Fort was built primarily as a military structure by Akbar but was later transformed into a palace by his son Shah Jahan. Amber Fort. Amber Fort or Amer Fort is located in Amer, Rajasthan, India. It is a beautiful structure that was built by Raja Mahan Singh in the 16th century. It is known for its architect style elements. India Gate. The iconic India Gate, an arcade made using sandstone, is a war memorial situated in the Rajpath area, Delhi. It was built to commemorate the undivided British Army soldiers who laid down their lives during the First World War and the Third Anglo-Afghan War of 1919. This imposing structure is one of the largest war memorials in the country, with the names of over 13,000 soldiers written on it. The Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is an art monument built in the early 20th century, the city of Mumbai in India. The monument is also remembered as a memory where the last British troops left India. हेलो फ्रेंड, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करना ना भूलें और हाँ, बेल आइकन को भी दबाना ना भूलें ताकि हमारी लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके।